Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to reset a Wemo smart plug that is connected to the Apple HomeKit. So first of all, you need to make sure that your Wemo smart plug is plugged into a working wall outlet and the indicator light should illuminate it. A reset cannot be performed if the plug is not receiving the power. So you need to simply just find this particular power button. So you need to simply press and hold this particular power button for at least 10 to 15 seconds. Just continue holding it until the status light begin flashing rapidly. And when it does, it indicates that the plug is erasing its saved Wi-Fi and the HomeKit settings, and it is also returning to the factory defaults. Now you need to release the button and give the plug a few more minutes to restart. After the reset, the LED should begin blinking in the setup mode, indicating that the device is ready to be paired again. So you need to now open your Apple Home application on your iPhone. If Wemo smart plug still appears in the HomeKit, you can tap on the accessory settings and then you can remove the device first. Afterwards, you need to press this particular plus icon on the top right hand corner, then select the option of add accessory. Then you need to follow further on-screen prompts in order to reconnect the plug to the Wi-Fi and assign it to a room. So once the setup is completed, you can just simply test the plug by turning it on and off from the home application. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.